Now we'll see an example to find HCF actually with the help of Euclid division algorithm. So here Euclid division algorithm as we earlier understood about this, that algorithm is a set of steps. Okay, defined steps. So here for division actually set of so so we have to find HCF of 196 and 38,220. So these are the two units. So these value will be taken as A and B or C or D. Like here I have used for a division lemma C equals to DQ plus R. So if I'm taking C equals to DQ plus R, so it is just an alpha. These are just alphabets actually. So C, D, Q are alphabets, but we understood that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is understood. So that statement that RHS is equals to LHS is here we are using as a division lemma. So 196 is smaller than 38,000. So 38,220. So we are taking C equals to 38,220 and D equals to 196. Here we are taking these values for these alphabets. Uh, why we are here, what we have to do actually, these are the two values and we have to select actually the dividend and the divisor. So the smaller one will be the divisor part. 196 here will be a divisor. So we will divide 38,220 by 196. So so we are going to divide this 38,000 by 196. So that is what we have to check here and what we found. So if we divide 38,220 by 196, we will get the answer 195 and the remainder 0. So this is the things, as you can do this simply division, you know how to do division part. So we can also do division part. So let's take 196 and 196 and 38,220. So we are here going to divide this. So we will take 196 ones are. If we are taking twos are, then it will be greater value. So we'll take ones are. So ones are 196. So we'll subtract here and we'll get 6 and 7 left. So 17 9. So it will be 8 and 2 minus 1 1. So this is this is it, and afterwards we will have 2, and for this we will get 9s are 9s are, so 9 6 are 54 and 5 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 5 86. So 9 ones are 9 and 8 17. So here we will get 12, so 8 and 5, so 15 15 6 9. So and 7700. So this we will get here and this will come here 0. So here what we will see here, we'll see uh, now we will take 5 5 6 are 30, 3 carry 5 is a 45 48, 4 carry 5 on the 5 9. So this is solved. So 195 we get here the quotient 195, and reminder, this is our R value, this is what, the 0. So here we will get reminder 0 and the quotient 195. So for second step we are writing here, since the reminder R equals to 0, this is the R value, so this is 0. If we are getting 0 the remainder, then the divisor, so the divisor 196 is a divisor, so 196 is our answer if we are getting 0. Okay, if we are not getting 0, then we have to again do the steps to find up to remainder 0. So when the because here if we are getting some reminder like 4, then 4 will be now our divisor and 196 will be dividend. Okay, for further step if we are taking, and we will do the same thing up till we are getting reminder 0. So if we are getting reminder 0, then the divisor is the HCF. Okay, 196 is our HCF. So since the remainder R equals to 0, the divisor 196, so this is the divisor D, so this is the divisor 196 is the HCF. Please concentrate on my audio also, and the visual also, uh, the text here. So to understand, please make sure you are watching uh, again and again and trying to understand what it is taught here. So what I'm teaching here, so please watch this video again and again to learn and improve in your study. So here 196 is the HCF of 196 and 38220. Okay, now we have next example, and the same we have to find the HCF between these two values 867 and 255. So we have to again find the HCF with the help of division algorithm, the same set of series of steps. So series of steps actually, as we understood. Applying Euclid's division lemma, so the lemma C equals to dq plus r we are going to use again, which is already proved. So here again with if we compare both of them, so the 867 is bigger, so we are taking C means to say dividend 867 and divisor 255, so we are going to divide by 255. Okay, so here we are putting these values into the equation C equals to dq plus r. So C is what we dividend and D the divisor, so we will put here. So we are when we do division part, we'll find that 3 will be quotient and remainder will be 102. If we are dividing 867 by 255, okay, let's see. So 255,867 we have to divide this value. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide 867 by 255. Okay, so we'll take 3s as you will see, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, so it will be 6, 3 2 just 6, so 7. So now we will subtract 2 and 0 and 1. So here we are getting 102 as a reminder. and no value is left after we have so here, and so now it is the reminder 102. So we are getting reminder 102. So we are writing here, since the reminder 102 is not equal to 0, means we are not getting 0 actually as a reminder when we are dividing 867 by 255. So we are not getting reminder 0. So we are getting the reminder 102. So we have to keep in mind that if we are not getting reminder 0 in first step, then we have to further go, and we have to further need to do the same process. We are taking the reminder as a divisor. So we are not getting reminder 0 in the second step. We'll do further in the second step the same process. Here the 102, the reminder will be now our the uh, reminder. Keep in mind the reminder will be now our divisor. Okay, and the this value 255, which was our divisor, now it will be our dividend 255. Okay, now we will divide this value with this reminder, and our reminder will be as a divisor. We are using reminder as a divisor. Now for the next step, so we will take as a 2za. Okay, so here it will come 1 and 50. So what it will come, 51505. Okay, so now again we are getting a reminder value, and we are not getting a 0. Okay, then further we are going to do, actually, when we are not getting reminder 0, we have to again take reminder as a divisor in the next step. So here we are getting, here we are taking 51, when in the second step we are getting reminder 51, which is not equal to 0. We are writing here, since the reminder 51 does not equal to 0, then we apply this lemma to 102. 102 is what, the, as we understood, 102 is what, the divisor, and 51 is reminder. So we apply this. So 102 will be dividend. So again, we, if we'll do, now we will 51 twos are, so 102 we are taking here 102 and 102, so twos are, so 51 twos are, 51 twos are will be 1, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So now we are getting 0. Remainder will be our 0. So this 51, now 51, the divisor is giving us a reminder 0. So 51 will be our answer. So uh, in this third step, we are getting 51. Uh, so we are getting 0 when we are dividing, when we have a divisor 51. So since the remainder is 0, then 51 is the HCF of 867 and 255. Please do subscribe the channel, and watch this video again and again, and also share this video to help others to improve their study.